Welcome, my dear students of class 5A. Today, I am going to teach you four very short lessons. The lessons the lessons which I am going to teach you. The lessons are 43, 44, 45, 46, and the names of the lessons are Our Heritage, Animals in Cold Desert, Internet Magic, Computer Awareness. Computer awareness. First, our heritage. Now I am going to teach you. Please open at page number 58. Open at page number 58 for lesson number 43, our heritage. What are the points mentioned here? I am discussing. Where is the Taj Mahal situated? You know, Taj Mahal is situated at Agra. Where is the Taj Mahal situated? Taj Mahal is situated at Agra. By whom? By Shah Jahan, the famous Mughal emperor. And next one, who was the builder of Jama Masjid or Jami Masjid? It is also Shah Jahan. Who built the famous Jama Masjid? It was also built by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built the famous Jama or Jami Masjid at Delhi, which is considered as one of the biggest mosques of India, Jami Masjid, in front of the Red Fort. It was built by Shah Jahan. And next one, which monument was built by the British in the memory of 90,000 soldiers killed during the First World War? It was done by the British when, at the end of the First World War, in order to commemorate the image of the soldiers who dedicated their lives during the First World War, in order to pay tribute to 90,000 soldiers who sacrificed their lives during the First World War, that very monument was constructed. That was India Gate. India Gate. It is situated at the center of Delhi, New Delhi. And next one, which temple was built in Delhi by B.D. Birla in 1938 in Delhi? The name of the temple is Birla Temple. Birla Temple or Birla Mandir. It was constructed by G.D. Birla. B.D. Birla, not G.D. B.D. Birla in the year 1938. And next one, where is Hawa Mahal situated? Hawa Mahal is situated at Jaipur in Rajasthan. Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is situated at Jaipur in Rajasthan. And next one, name the monument which was built by King Narasimha Deva. It is the shape of a chariot with 24 wheels and drawn by 7 horses. It is Sun Temple. Sun Temple was constructed by King Narasimha Deva in Orissa. The famous temple was constructed by King Narasimha Deva in order to, pay tribute or in order to pay respect to God, to the god Sun. That's why he named it Sun Temple. And next one, Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri has 2 main entrances. One is the Shahi Darwaja and other one. What was the name of the other one? The other one's name is Bulwan Darwaja. Bulwan Darwaja. In order to commemorate the victory over, Gujarat, Akbar constructed the famous Bulwan Darwaja. And last one, what is the tallest tower in India? Qutub Minar is the tallest tower in India. It was constructed by the construction work was started by Qutubuddin Aibak, the founder ruler of the slave dynasty in India. But suddenly Qutubuddin Aibak died. Then his son-in-law Iltutmish got it completed, the construction work of Qutub Minar. So now lesson number 44. Next lesson 44. Lesson number 44. What is it? Animals in cold deserts. Animals in cold deserts. Now open at page number 59 for chapter number 44. Animals in cold deserts. There are some animals which are found in cold deserts. What are their names? Now I am going to tell you. these animals has very, very short legs and long ears. Short legs and long ears. In summers it is brown skinned, whereas in winters its skin turns white. What is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is Arctic fox. Arctic fox. And second one, this animal looks like a rabbit. This animal looks like a rabbit. It has big feet compared to its body. Its small ears help it to keep warm in extreme cold. What's the name of this animal? The name of this animal is Arctic chair. Arctic chair. And next one, it is the largest meat eater in the Arctic. These animals like to eat winged and bearded seals. What is the name of this animal? Polar bear. The name of this animal is polar bear. And next one, these are the most distinguished inhabitants of Antarctica. These are the most distinguished inhabitants of Antarctica. These birds cannot fly, but they swim very well. What is the name of this animal? Penguin. And next one, these birds have a ghost-like snowy white appearance and sharp hearing, which helps them find their prey that is invisible under thick vegetation or snow cover. That is snow owl. Snow owl. And next one, this animal has two very long teeth known as tusks. Its skin is full of wrinkles. What is the name of this animal? You know very well, walrus. And next one, these are small birds but cover 22,000 miles every year during migration. What is the name of these birds? The name of these birds are Arctic tern. Arctic tern. And last of all, it is a member of the deer family. It is also known as caribou. Its diet is moss and lichen. It is popularly associated with Santa Claus. What is the name of this animal? Reindeer. Reindeer. So this is about lesson number 44. Now I am going to explain about the points of lesson number 45. Lesson number 45 means internet magic. Internet magic. Open at, my dear students, open at page number 60. Open at page number 60. The name of this topic is internet magic. Now what is about it? In computer there are some, in computer there are some languages which are used in the system of operating computer. What's the name? What are the names of these languages? What are the names? What are the definitions of these languages? What are the definitions of these terms? Now I am going to discuss. First term which is used in computer, that is data. Why is data used? What is the meaning of data? Data means facts and figures or informations stored or used by computer. Facts, information, figures stored or used by computer. And next one, input. What is the meaning of input? Information going into the computer is known as input. And output, information coming out of the computer is known as output. And what is program? A set of informations, a set of instructions given to the computer is known as program. A set of instructions given to the computer is known as program. So this is about 45, chapter number 45. And next one, chapter number 46, computer awareness. Chapter number 46, computer awareness. Now my dear students, open at page number 61 for computer awareness, chapter number 46, computer awareness. Now I am discussing some points with you. Please look at the book for correct answer and learn it properly. A program that can copy itself and infect a computer without the permission or knowledge of the owner is called what? Virus. It is virus. Here there are 4 options: floppy, virus, Java, monitor. but you have to choose the correct option, that is virus, a program that can copy itself and infect a computer without the permission or knowledge of the owner is called what? Is called virus. And next one, which was the first web browser? Which was the first web browser? Here there are 4 options: World Wide Web, Netscape, Navigator, Internet Explorer, and Safari. You have to choose the first one, World Wide Web. World Wide Web. And next one, which of this is the correct format of email address? Here there are 4 options. I am telling you: contact.website@info, contact.website.info, B, contact.website.info, number C, contact.website@info, and number D, contact.website.info. Now which one is applicable here? C is applicable. So we have to choose option number C, contact website@info. Which of these is the correct format of email address? Contact website@info. This is the correct format of email address. Okay. And next one, in computers, what is the smallest and basic unit of information storage? That is, here there are 4 options: bit, byte, Newton, and megabyte. Bit, byte, Newton, and megabyte. The correct option is bit, bit, bit. In computer, what is the smallest and basic unit of information storage? That is bit. And next one, which company is nicknamed Big Blue? Which company is nicknamed Big Blue? Here there are 4 options: TCS, IBM, Microsoft, and Satyam. Here option number C can be chosen. Option number C is to be chosen. Option number, what is in option number C? Microsoft. So Microsoft is the correct option. Which company is nicknamed Big Blue? That is Microsoft. So these are the 5 points given in page number 61 and lesson number 46. So today I taught up to lesson number 46. Now what is your duty? Your duty is to learn all the answers of this lesson. These are nothing but to learn all the points mentioned in your book as per the page numbers mentioned in your book to the last page. Please compare with it to your lessons, and then note it down the answers in your books and learn it quickly. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.